Ladies and gents, here we go. It's starting. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Here we go. We're live. Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, I got some great stuff here for you today. We're going to be going over the Platinum Lead system. I've asked many questions on how to create certain content for this program. If you're not a member of Platinum World Team Build, I'd encourage you to go check us out. I'm currently giving this product here, high converting landing page website builder, out for $25 now. We have a feeder system inside of Platinum World Team Build, giving this unlimited access to this program for an entire year for a one-time payment of $25, and hosting is included, ladies and gents. All right, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Now, I'm going to periodically go back to YouTube just to see if we have any questions on a particular piece inside of our system. Now, these are drag and drop, easily to create capture pages slash web pages or landing pages. If you're promoting anything online and you want to brand it specifically for you and your company, you're going to be able to do that here. You can also add your own forms, so capture leads, and then you're going to be able to export these leads to any autoresponder you have. Okay, so if you're currently working with GetResponse, great. Aweber, it doesn't matter. You can export them to CSV or PDF format right to your current autoresponder and add them to your list. Now, like anything else, if you're selling something and you need it to promote, if you're cutting hair, if you are a barber, stylist, selling products of any sort, uh, you can do that here. Very easy, very affordable. Again, ladies and gentlemen, and again, unlimited. You're going to be able to transfer the page to the domain of your choice. So if you own yourdomain.com, whatever your name is, then we're going to be able to transfer this site to that domain. Meta description, SEO optimization. If you know that part of it, it's all built within the system, CSS. It's all great and dandy. Analytics, media, add your own videos, photos, files. If you want to add a team member to your back office, you're going to be able to do that too with this system. This is no ordinary landing page website builder. You're going to be able to get unlimited access again to it. You can change the theme, the color, the background, you name it. Have fun. I'm a marketer myself, and this is a product that I was so in need of. And now that I can give it at a low cost, and you guys can receive it at a low cost. So thank you for, if you're watching this video, if you have any questions, bottom right hand side, the YouTube live, you can ask your questions and I will answer them. The previous question I had previously from a gentleman, I'm going to go ahead and open up one of my pages here. And again, these are just pages I've created through training. That is it. This is not anything that I've, you all can create your own, by the way. It will now show any landing pages here. It will now show any. You have to create your own by clicking on new page. Now we have templates. So when you go to landing pages, let me go back here again because this will be the home page. Remember, you'll see nothing here. You're going to click on new page and then you're going to title the page. If you're selling cheese, which actually I'm not going to put cheese, but we're going to put, I'm going to put barber. Barber. You may be a barber, a stylist or hairstylist. Let me go here. Stylist. Okay, so we're going to go with that. And then we're going to do a campaign. We're going to call this cut. All right. Oh, I'm just call it haircut. Make it easy. Haircut will be the campaign, and then English, Eastern Time. Then we click on next. Now this is where you now have the ability to select a template. A template meaning what is the website going to look like. Now everything you can edit, but again, this is just a quick example. If someone doesn't want to take the time out to have to add all these products, images, and features, they can select the template. Business and services, if I were to select business and services and click on next, it would take me here, and these are all the templates for business and services. But I can go back and choose something else. Food and drinks. I click on food and drink, click next, and as you can see, food and drinks. Click on previous, digital and tech, and these are digital and tech, as you can see here. Previous, hotel and travel, click on next. This is hotel and travel sites. Now remember, every image, every text, every photo, every video you're going to be able to edit at any time you choose. Now, these are just templates for those that don't want to create all these images, don't create all this text. You're going to be able to go in there and do this really, really quickly. And then personal, click on next, and as you can see, personal. So I'm going to go to business and services just for this particular post, and I'm going to select one. Now, if you want to preview what it's going to look like, just click on this little magnifying glass and you'll be able to get a preview of what it's going to look like. Now, remember, this here is a logo text, It's not text, it's a logo text. You're going to be able to add any logo you want here. You're going to be able to add anything here and a link here. So it's entirely up to you what you do with your site. All this is editable. These images, you can change the colors, add your own content, your services, images, you name it. So we're going to select this page for this particular point. Now, if you have a location of your shop where you actually cut here, then you're going to be able to add that map here. So if someone was to pull this on their mobile phone and it was to select that, it would direct them exactly how to get to your store using Google Map. Okay, and then you add your information here. So we're going to select this particular one for this particular training, and I want to go click on create website, and voila, your website is now created. As you can see here, I didn't have to add any images. I didn't have to go bananas. Let's just put it that way. But you can add your own images, text to the site. So take the time out to really get creative with your site. If it takes you a week to create this content to make it look like exactly how you want it, that's fine. Just don't go in here and leave Dave's auto repair here if you're trying to sell your barber shop or your hair cutting skills. So hopefully you guys get this. So let me go back to YouTube just to see if we have any questions right now. We got 6 watching. As of right now, we have no questions. So I'm going to go ahead and add that there. Is MailChimp connected yet? MailChimp is not connected yet, sir. What I am doing, so for those that you know, for all of you that do know, for all of you that are here, this is the package you're getting for $25. I'm currently in the works of building a new one, a new package, a new landing page system. It's going to have beacon integration. It's also going to have autoresponder messages integrated already within the system. So you don't have to have a MailChimp account. You don't have to have any other. It's going to be already integrated into the landing page system. That is in the works. Okay, so for those of you that are here, I did not add MailChimp integration yet or GetResponse. I will not be adding those anyway. But what you can do in the meantime, I mean, it's just one extra step. I know the convenience of clicking on something and adding your autoresponder immediately to it. I understand that's convenient. Just so happens we cannot do it any longer with this program. But with the new program that I'm building, for those of you that coming at a higher level, we're going to show you that product in the near future. So that being said, the only step that you got to do if to get a landing page redirected to that particular form entries and then export them. Just click on form entries. Click on form entries, and then you'll see here, and then you're going to be able to actions, export. Click on export, and then select the format, CSV, and then click export, and then you'll be able to download them right to your autoresponder. Because then you have to just take the upload link, go to your autoresponder, and upload them there exactly how you want it. First name, last name, email, phone number, whatever you captured when you created the form. So keep that in mind. All right, let's go back. What did I do? Here it is. This is the site. Now, that being said, someone had a question, and I specifically want to get this question answered before we go ahead and get started. They were asking to create a drop-down menu with the top header of the site. This is the header, but what they were asking, let me go ahead and scroll down, see if I can find it. They wanted to add multiple pages to it, which we don't have that drop-down menu feature, but what we do have is here. These boxes here, well, these are footers. And this is navigation. So the navigation part is where you navigate someone from the home page, about us, contact us, etc. What you can do is add more content here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and drag this and bring it up. And as you can see here, you can change this. Now I can change this logo, select image, and obviously you want to add your own logo. For this particular one, I'm just going to select, let's click on logos. We already have logos. Let me go to my files, and let me go to this folder. For this particular instance, I'm just going to add this here. All right, so let's just say I wanted to add that image for my site. And then what I want to do here, they were asking, can we add a drop-down menu here? The fact of it is we don't have that option, again, to add a drop-down menu. But what you can do is add another text here. So let's say I wanted to add an enter key. Hit the enter key and type in new page. And then you want to select this in bold. And then you're going to have to really work on getting it to where you want it to be laid out so it doesn't look terrible, but you can add a new page. As you can see here, I add a new page, and then I want to add another one, second new page. So let me just put it one word, as you can see there, and then make some more space in between them both. And as you can see, now you have, instead of having 1, 2, 3, 4 pages, you got 5, 6. Okay, now all I have to do is highlight it and then add a link to it. Okay, so we want to insert a link to that, or you could select a page that you already created. So if you already have a page created within your landing page program, then you can add that here. Oh, excuse me, I added the wrong thing. The URL to that page, you can add that page here. So I'm just going to go to tarj.com and click on OK. Yes, I wanted to add it. Okay, so now as you can see, it's highlighted. See how that line below it appears? That means that now has a hyperlink to it to go to target.com. Yes, it is a website outside of the program, but I just wanted to give you an example. I didn't create another page within the system for it to go there. So it asked me, do I want it to? So I just said yes. You may have a blog that you've already created, and because this is not a blog website, so you may have a blog and you might want to send somebody to your blog. So you can do that here, and then redirect them here whenever you like. So I'm going to just put blog for that particular point. I'm just going to click on blog, and then what I'm going to do is highlight it, and I'm just going to go to WordPress.com. We go HTTPS WordPress.com, and then hit OK. And as you can see, now the line under it appears. So now you have to save. Make sure after you edit something, hit save and then publish it, or it will disappear. Please click on save and then click on publish. And now let's take a look at the published view. So I'm going to click on view published. And there it is. There's all the changes. Obviously, this logo is huge. You're going to want something smaller, maybe some letters only, no images. And as you can see here, all these are now redirected to where you want it to go. So if I was to click on open a new page, boom, and there's Target. So this is the goal, is to create something. Again, you're getting this for $25, unlimited for a year. So you're going to be able to create unlimited sites. Now, it looks clean. It looks effective. It does the job, what you need done. You're going to be able to take this link that you create with us and then transfer it to your domain. So if you have a domain called joe.com, you can go to joe.com and then redirect the link to go there using it through your GoDaddy or your Namecheap account. You just have to transfer or redirect it to go to the site. That's all. So that way you can share your link online, joe.com, on Facebook or all your social accounts, and everyone sees your brand. And that's the goal. We wanted to make sure that you guys are put in the limelight and not us. So let me see if we have any other questions. We don't have a $100 fee to Kashanda, I'm sorry. We don't have a $100 feeder. So just to let you know, I don't know why she said $100 feeder. We don't have a $100 feeder. We have a $25 feeder, and there's only one feeder. And then we have a $100 level, which is bronze, which when your commissions come from, your profits inside of the feeder of Platinum World Team Build, and then you'll be automatically upgraded into Platinum World Team Build Bronze level, which is the $100 level. I'm not going to talk about the compensation plan on this video. I'm specifically talking only about the product and only about this product right now. If you want to attend the compensation plan video, that is on Saturday. It will be at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. I will be putting that link up in our Facebook group. If you're not a member of the Facebook group, I encourage you to do so. Get in there and join us. Let me go ahead and see if I can grab the link for that. Let me go to our Facebook group. I'm doing this live. This is Platinum World Team Build. And this is our group here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link. If you're not a member, I'd encourage you to become a member. That way you get all the insight, everything that we want to share, you get it directly from us there. So let me go ahead and add that. Control V. And there you go. Angela Amos, that's a great question. Can we add an RSS feed to it? That's a great question. I don't see why not. RSS feed is a link. So, I mean, it shouldn't be hard at all. If I wanted to add RSS feed, let me go ahead and do that now. I'll show you exactly how that's done. Where was I? Here we go. We'll go back to the site. So what I'm going to do is just leave this open. I'm going to go back here. And what I'm going to do now, RSS feed is a logo. You can add the logo here if you wanted to for the RSS feed. So I'm going to go look up RSS feed logos. RSS feed logos. You guys have put me on the spot live. I like it. I like it. I don't mind though because I have and love this type of stuff. So make sure it's transparent. There we go. This one's transparent, so it's perfect. I'm going to click on View Image. Looks good. I like it. So I'm going to now save the image. All right. Save image as, and I got it on the pictures and ping. Okay, done. I'm getting all these messages. Bad timing, people. Bad timing. All right, so I'm going to save this for now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you something. Angela, I believe it was. I'm going to go ahead and upload that image that I just saved to my computer. And I'm going to go on the media. And I'm going to go on to here. Now, these are my files. Now, you can title these files. You can label the titles before you upload any image. Make sure you title the folder. Don't make the mistake that I did and untitle them. You can get the info. As you can see, untitled folder. But anyways, I usually know which ones it is. I select the first one. And then what I'm going to do is click on upload. See this little cloud button right here? I'm going to click on upload. And then we're going to go to pictures. And then we're going to go to RSS. And there it is. And then I'm going to select that one. And then open. And then you'll see it right here. Popped up that quick. So now we have it in the system. And then, again, you're going to be able to upload your Buy Now buttons, all kinds of buttons, which will be fun. Just make sure you label the file, the right file, when you're uploading into the system. This is all included, okay, with the hosting as well. So this is the image we want to use. So I'm going to go back to my landing pages. And I'm going to go down. I know it's over here. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to edit it. So what I'm going to do is try to add that image right alongside here and see if this works. I mean, again, I haven't tried all scenarios. I know you can add an image in this box. So for this instance, I'm going to remove the blog. That way I don't have too much space there. And then as you can see, the dot blinking there. So I want to make sure we go to insert image. And I'm going to find that image. And then we're going to double click on it. And then you can add a description. I wouldn't do so because I think it's going to show up on the bottom and we don't want that. See, it's too big. Okay, so what we could do is we could try to shrink it and see what happens. There we go. Yep, it works. If we shrink it, it'll show up just like that. Voila. Nice, nice, nice. Now, when you click on the image, so you wanted an RSS feed, and then you click on this link, you can add a URL. I believe you can add your RSS URL to this, but don't hold me for sure. I'm not 100% certain that the image will keep the link. I think the link will show below the RSS feed. But again, we're trying this out live, so bear with me. I'm going to look for RSS feed links. I'm just looking up anything. Let's see here. ABC RSS feed. We'll use this one here. All right. There we go. I'm going to copy that. Actually, we'll go to top stories. And then copy that. And then we'll go back to the site. And then we're going to click on it, add insert link. I'm going to paste it. And hope, I'm going to cross my fingers and hope that it's going to stay with the picture. It may or may not. Okay. There's only one way to find out. Save and publish. I think it worked, but I'm not 100% certain. So I'm going to refresh this. Yeah, it didn't work. As you can see, it's not clickable. Let's see. I'm trying to get a better. You may have to type the word, and then you can type RSS feed, and then instead of the symbol. But as you can see, the symbol's not clickable. I didn't think it would. I said I'd try it. Let me go back to edit it again and see what happened. Maybe we can get this to work again. So yeah, it's not saving it. All right, let's see here. The only other option I can think of. Let me see, new window. Let me try that again. Delete. Yeah, the link won't work that way with the image. So what you can do is type in RSS feed, just like this. You can have the image alongside it. Let me give you an example. I know people want it clickable, and I understand that, and it can be a nuisance that you can't have it looking exactly how you want it. But let's just say you wanted to add the image next to it, sort of like this. And then this link, the RSS feed, then add the RSS feed link to it, and then click on OK, and then it'll now be redirected. So if I click on save and then publish, I go here, I refresh the screen, and there it is. And then when they click on it, they know, okay, it's not clickable. But if they move the cursor to the right just a tad, you'll know now it's clickable, and then they can end up right where you want them, the RSS feed. So that's just an option. Again, for 25 bucks, you can't beat that with the bat. So much more pleasant than usual. So that is incorrect, Kashanda. I just explained that we have a new landing page program coming out. It is coming out. I'm not going to give you a time frame, but it's coming out shortly, and that'll be for the $100 level and above, for members from the $100 level and above. So just to let you know. Again, Kashanda, those questions are for Saturday's webinar, not for today. Today's strictly for this website builder, program builder. Hopefully you got that. I'm just going to remove her. Yeah, that'll make it easier. That way I don't have to keep answering those questions. I'm not trying to be rude. I've already said it 3 times. I don't know how many times I have to say it, but some people won't get it. But anyways, moving forward. As you can see, this is something that you can do. You can also add more text. If you hit the enter key, you're now at the bottom here. And then you can change the way the layout is. If you go to format and then click on formatting and you click on inline, nope, alignment, excuse me, and click on left. Now you are over here. See how the inline moved? And then you can type in, you can just sort of type in new page and then bold it, save, publish, refresh. And it'll show up here. And then you can have more here, multiple ones, and you can have other pages here. But again, we don't have a drop down, which I do apologize. But as you can see here, you'll have more labels you can add and add links to each and every one of them if you would like to do so. So this is just a little training on that. I don't want to go too in detail today. As you can see, I just put this webinar up specifically because someone had a question on YouTube, and I kind of wanted to give them an understanding of exactly how this all works. So hopefully they do. Again, we're trying to create something. Again, this is you're paying $25. I mean, this system is worth more than that easily. You should be paying about $500-600 to $900 a year for unlimited access to this system. I'm giving it away for $25 one time for an entire year. Okay, and over again, you can create an unlimited amount of sites, and then you can redirect each page to a new page that you've created. So that being said, I'm being very generous here with the platform and program, and there's a compensation plan applied to it through Platinum World Team Build. You don't have to join Platinum World Team Build if you do not want to. You can go straight to the site and pay through PayPal by logging out and then signing up, pick your package, and then make your payment. And you don't have to join the network marketing opportunity for this, okay? So it's entirely up to you. Again, I appreciate you all for being here. Let me see if we have any more questions before I do exit. Nope, that was it. Once I got rid of that, there was no more questions. So hopefully, Angela, we got your questions solved. I'm going to go ahead and exit now. This training is 26 minutes in. I appreciate you guys for being here. Take care. Have yourselves a wonderful day. And that's it. So let me go ahead and log out and take care. Bye-bye.